Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, All Things Mishkaya. Today I'll be making some rum bread pudding. I actually made this recipe already. It never saw the light of day, meaning I did not upload it to my channel because it just wasn't shot right. So today is my second take on doing it. I mean, the first one was bomb, but this one is gonna be even better. So stay tuned and you'll definitely see how I make this. Okay, so what did my cray already?
You making sandwich?
Bread pudding.
With butter?
Yeah, man. I'm not putting a lot of butter on the bread. I just need it.
You know what? I like it with the other bread. What was it? Jamaican bread?
But you haven't tried it with this bread yet.
I like that bread too, though. But Jamaican bread was pretty good with.
But you haven't tried this.
I didn't know they used that bread to make bread
You
pudding.
have not tried
So
it.
wait a minute. They use butter when they're doing bread pudding?
You can make bread pudding in a variety of ways.
And this is the person telling you about the food I was talking about, the healthy food. This is why she don't like that stuff. She put butter. Look at that, extra butter.
Okay, everyone. I'm just putting a little bit of butter on my bread
unhealthy food.
before.
Extra unhealthy, but it tastes good though. I had the one she did last time. It tastes good.
Unhealthy food.
Butter make
always
everything
tastes
taste better.
good.
I know. Yeah.
Get out the kitchen and don't throw your hair in there.
So I'm just putting a little bit of butter. As you can see, I'm not dabbing it or trying to put too much on it. It's just a little bit of butter. And then I'm gonna dice up my bread and get it soaking. Okay, so I'm adding some sugar. I'm adding my milk.
Oh, milk. Oh, milk. Okay. Here. Yeah.
Gonna mix that together.
Okay.
Okay, so now I have my milk and granulated sugar mixed in. I'm gonna add my egg, and this is just to hold the pudding together. I'm gonna whisk that together. And now I'm gonna pour this all over my bread to get it all soaking. Make sure it's all covered. And letting my bread soak.
How long are you gonna let it soak for?
Until it looks.
Yeah, be more specific. Specific.
Why are you jacketing it?
I'm just saying.
Why are you jacketing?
People like when you people are more direct.
Soggy, Michigan? Until it's soggy?
Yeah, I know you like soggy pudding.
Who likes soggy bread?
You say you like it bread pudding wet.
Yes.
Exactly, that's soggy bread.
Oh.
See?
Yeah, I don't
She
like
was-
it dry.
She's probably thinking bread like this.
Yeah, like that bread though.
Soggy. That's it. Yeah.
Like you like microwave bread.
Listen, ain't nothing wrong with it. Ain't nothing wrong with it. Just don't let it sit for 2 minutes. Because if you do, it's going to be hard as a brick.
Exactly. Okay. So now I'm just going to add some rum to this. Not a lot. Just enough to make it have that rum flavor, because it's gonna bake off anyways. It's not like you're gonna be drunk or anything when you
Yo. What's wrong with you, man?
He's attention seeking.
Yo.
Now I'm about to add my bread.
Come on. Come on, you about to get whooped. You about to get whooped.
I smell like rum and shit.
You about to get whooped, man.
See, I have some raisins that I'm gonna add. I like to sprinkle some brown sugar. Here we go. And it's about to be, well, it's not about to be. I'm gonna put it in the oven now and let it bake at 350 degrees until I don't want it to bake no more. Okay, here you have it, guys. My Jamaican rum bread pudding. It's all golden brown. It's looking so yummy. Let's get into trying it. Bueno.
Ooh, wee, that looks good. Talk to.
There you have it, guys. My bread pudding. My rum bread pudding. I topped it off with some ice cream, and then I drizzled some low-fat chocolate syrup on top of it. It's really easy to make. Like all my recipes, they're usually easy, and this one is no different. So I hope you guys will try this. So here I am gonna take a bite out of this. Ooh, look at that. Ooh wee! I'm gonna put my ooh wee in there. Yes, Jesus.
That's what you do at the end.
Ooh, Lordy.
Start singing the gospel.
Get to the spirit.
This is dessert.
Say, this make you want to slap your mama.
Somebody trying to tell me to slap my mom because this is so good. Oh, Father. We thank you for food.
You go want you eat all of that.
There you have it, guys. I'm gonna finish enjoying my bread pudding with my ice cream. It's so yummy. You should try this. I swear, the rum, no, like the Jamaican rum makes it so amazing. Like, I could use Jamaican rum in as much recipe that I can. I just love the flavor that it gives. So yeah, it's really easy to make. Just try it. You will not regret it. So I hope you guys will like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys. So the Jamaican rum, let me show you. This is just one style of Jamaican rum. The more popular one is called the Wray and Nephew rum. You can find it at any liquor store. I live in Florida, and I usually don't have problems finding it. But yeah, they're usually in airports when you're coming from Jamaica. They're in most liquor stores that I've been to. So yeah, that's where you'll find it. But the flavor, oh my god, amazing. You should try this.